Alrighty, everyone. It's time for another unboxing with the Titan-sized box of Transformers toys from BBTS. Let's get to it. Alrighty, the box is opened up and taking a closer look at the stuff that I recently just purchased online. And I tell you this, it is 2 Voyagers and 1 Leader class. I can continue on watching so you guys can guess of what they are. Alrighty, so the first one, nice. This is the back. But as you can see here, this is the Titans Return Leader Class Soundwave. The website said this was the substandard one. I don't understand what they meant by substandard. Clearly I thought they meant the box was in terrible condition or something, or that the figure did not come with the box, but it comes with the box, and the box is in very awesome condition. Very nice indeed. So I can't wait to have fun with this figurine. So I'll put this off to the side. Well, I'm sure you guys have gone through stuff like you found a box within a box within a couple other boxes. Well, I think this is the case right here, because this is the first time I ever saw this, folks. I'm not gonna bring this over here. This is the official Hasbro box right here. Check that out. Even though it's Transformers on it, even though people have seen these types of boxes before, but this is the first time I ever got this type of, Hasbro brand box right here. Other than BBTS, which is all brands in general, stuff like that. So I guess you guys will get to see me opening up this box live. Well, not really live, but just live enough that you can see with me of what's inside the Hasbro brand box. Seriously, folks, I did not expect to have another box. But then another box. Then another box. It's just... Alrighty. This is kind of cool of how, it's been placed inside, so... Put that off to the side. I shouldn't need that again. Alrighty. Wow. These two Voyager size boxes are really tight in there. Okay, now they're coming out. Alrighty, so the first one. Ooh, very nice. Alpha Trion. This is a triple changing. Alpha Trion here, he turns into a lion and then into some type of random aircraft carrier. But it's very interesting looking nonetheless. So I think I showed the top, yeah I did, but there we go, Alpha Trion. And the last but not least, Astro Train. Very cool. Another triple changer. We should all know what he turns into. A space shuttle and then a train. So, very cool. Nice. So that is the Titan-sized box with Titan-sized figures. So I hope you guys found this a little bit entertaining. I can't wait to, Photoshop these things and have a blast with them. Alrighty. Good day to you all.